Y'all hear that? When it starts to sound like somebody biting an apple, you need a trim. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Don't mind that, y'all know I'm always washing, but welcome to my channel. My name is Amarie L. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, what's good? So today, y'all, I'm gonna be doing these mini twists. They're not gonna be mini because I really don't want them to be that small. So I'm gonna just call them, I guess, medium twists, chunky twists. I don't know, but I have been trying to figure out what to do with my hair or whatever as I train it back. So I'm gonna be doing that. This is just how I wore it today. Don't mind it. I napped on it and I don't know. It's still cute to me though. Yes, ma'am. Y'all see these ends? They got to go. They got to go. Anyways, I'm gonna start off by taking this little section out because it's in like a ponytail in the back of my head. I don't know if y'all can see that. I didn't got that part out. It looked funny, but whatever. And my hair is mostly clean. It's just really this little part that is not. So I'm not gonna wash it for this style. So I'm gonna start out by parting my head down the middle. And then I'm going to part down the side. And I'm just gonna put the sections into a ponytail. Okay, y'all, so I just moved y'all up a little bit and moved my mirror closer, but I'm going to start off by parting out the back, like from my, about like the line of my ear, like this. I'm gonna part that part all the way across the back of my head. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what your girl is doing. So taking it like this, and then I'm gonna part. And then I'm just gonna do that to this side as well. So now that I have like the bottom section parted out, I'm gonna part that into two. So basically I have 3 sections. So I have like this bottom section, like the nape area, then I have the middle section, and then I have the front sections. So I'm gonna part this part out, and then I'm gonna be back when it's time to do the styling. Okay, y'all, so I done parted off the back, and I think I've decided that these parts are just not gonna be perfect. I'm already tired, so I'm going to lightly spritz my hair. And then I'm gonna take the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. This is the Pure Honey line. I'm gonna take about that much and rub it in. Make sure to get it in my ends. And then I'm gonna take some shea butter, rub that in. After I rub it in, I'm just gonna take my tangle teaser and detangle the hair. Then after I do that, I am just going to start parting off my boxes. So I'm thinking about having just 4. So I'm gonna part the section down the middle. As close to the middle as I can get it. Then I'm gonna clip this side off. And I'm gonna take my mousse. I'm gonna take about that much of my mousse, and then I'm gonna put it on the whole section. Thinking about doing this in 4, but I honestly, or maybe I can just do 3. Okay, yeah, I parted some of that out because I'm just gonna do 3 down the middle. Well, 3 down the back, rather. Adding a little bit more mousse. And then I'm gonna braid at the root, and then I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna braid just a little ways down. And then I'm gonna split the middle section in 2. And then I'm just gonna 2 strand. And I honestly don't know if I want to go in with this mousse. I don't think I do, because I'm wanting this to be more of a protection. So I'm just gonna go in with this hydrating pudding from the Texture Theory line. I'm gonna go in with that instead, and I'm gonna go in with the hydrating pudding on this one. Comb that through. And I'm gonna split that in 3. I know y'all can't see, but just imagine me splitting it in 3. I'm braiding it down just a little bit. And then I'm going to start twisting it. Look how shriveled this piece thing got already. Going in on this 3rd one. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is what the first row is looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this part off camera, these pieces right here, and then, well, I might just go ahead and finish the back off camera, but I will come back after either this little part is done, this next row, or the back is done. Okay, y'all, so I am back after I finish the next row. This is what this is looking like. I hope they don't look terrible. I really can't see nothing, but I'm hoping that they aren't terrible. I don't know. But yeah, I decided that I'm going to part off the front first. My dryer is so annoying. I'll be back. I'm going to part off the front. I'm trying to debate if I should do 4 rows or 5 rows. Yeah, I think I'll just do 4 rows. Okay, y'all, so I have finished the front of my head, and I am just gonna go ahead and part the back off because I've got to cook dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and part the back off before I cook, but this is just what it is looking like. I'm gonna clip it out the way as much as I can. Okay, just clip it out of my way as much as I can. So I'm gonna use these lines as kind of like a perimeter. I'm gonna split this section pretty much in half. But I'm gonna start by using this line here. And just make that part across. And I'm gonna split this section into two. Again, I'm gonna just go from the last, well, from the parts in the front. I'm gonna twist this section off. I feel like I look so weird with mini twists. Well, I don't necessarily know if you can call these mini twists, but they mini twist to me. So, yeah, I feel like I always look really weird with them because my hair is so fine. Like, you see how big of a section I have to get to make this twist juicy like this? But I see like a lot of people hair and they just have a regular like twist like this and it's juicy like that. And I'm like, how is the hair that thick? But it's all right because I'm already lazy with the hair I have. So I don't need to, you know, I really don't be needing to focus on doing the most. But I like my hair, I do. I just be having to get it out the way for a while so I can continue to do what I have to do as a mother. Okay, so these three are parted off and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Y'all hear that? That's how your girl knows she need a trim. When it starts to sound like somebody biting an apple, you need a trim. Okay, y'all, so I have pre-sectioned off the bike and I'm going to cook and whatnot before I finish it off. This is all I have left. I am so tired, y'all. I'm sorry if this video was blah, but I am so tired. But anyways, we're gonna go in with our spray. And it's just water and leave-in conditioner in this bottle. I meant to say that earlier, but I clearly forgot. And I'm just running that through my hair. And then I'm going in with the Cream of Nature. The Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, the Pure Honey line. I like this line. It's still good. And then I'm going in with the hydrating cream or the hydrating pudding. And then I'm gonna brush that in. I'm gonna add my shea butter. This stuff wanna get everywhere but the palm of my hands. I'm gonna take this and split it into two. And I'm just splitting my hair into three. And then braiding that down. And I'm splitting that in two. Trying to get it as even as I can on both sides, but I feel like I'll be really missing the mark, but it's all right. They're going to be juicy regardless. They just look so shiny. You can just tell the hair is moisturized. And I do twist as far down as I can get it. Oh goodness, y'all. So I am finally done with the twisting process. This is what they're looking like. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my mousse. Then I'm gonna go in with my hairspray. This is the Flex Hold by Got To Be. It's just like a soft hold hairspray, so it's not like super harsh like the other one. It doesn't get super sticky like it. I'm just doing this so that I can preserve my twist as long as possible. Let me get out your face. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And then go ahead and hit that notification bell just so you can see my other videos, because I will be posting more videos. But anyways, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.